Which DAX function is most efficient for creating a calculated column that flags rows based on a complex condition involving multiple related tables, minimizing context transition overhead? Option A, related. Option B, lookup value. Option C, calculate with user relationship. Option D, calculate with treatise. When using the Power BI API to refresh a dataset, what is the primary advantage of using enhanced refresh over a standard refresh? Option A, it always completes faster. Option B, it allows for incremental data loading and transformation. Option C, it automatically detects and resolves data quality issues. Option D, it reduces the load on the Power BI service capacity. What is the purpose of the remove filters DAX function when used within a calculate statement? Option A, to completely ignore any existing filters applied to the visual. Option B, to remove specific filters applied to the specified column, S. Option C, to remove all filters except for the ones specified in the remove filters function. Option D, to apply the existing filters in a different order. Which Power BI Premium feature is best suited for automating the execution of DAX queries against a large Power BI dataset stored in XML endpoint and storing the results in an external data lake? Option A, data flows. Option B, paginated reports. Option C, Power BI embedded. Option D, automated machine learning. What is the key difference between using user relationship and cross-filter in a DAX measure? Option A, user relationship allows for bidirectional filtering, while cross-filter only supports unidirectional filtering. Option B, user relationship activates a specific relationship for the calculation, while cross-filter modifies the filter direction of an existing relationship. Option C, user relationship can only be used with calculated columns, while cross-filter. You have a Power BI report connected to a direct query source. What is the most effective way to optimize the performance of a visual that displays a summarized value from a very large table? Option A, import the entire table into Power BI. Option B, create a calculated column using DAX to pre-aggregate the data. Option C, optimize the underlying database query and use query folding. Option D, use a Power BI data. Which of the following techniques is least likely to improve the performance of a Power BI report with complex DAX measures? Option A, optimizing data model relationships and cardinality. Option B, using variables to store intermediate calculation results. Option C, creating more calculated columns instead of measures. Option D, using the keep filters option when appropriate in calculate. When using composite models in Power BI, which storage mode combination offers the greatest flexibility for data refresh and query performance? Option A, import mode for all tables. Option B, direct query mode for all tables. Option C, dual mode for frequently queried tables and direct query for infrequently used tables. Option D, direct query for frequently queried tables and import mode for infrequently used tables. What is the primary benefit of using the treatise DAX function in Power BI? Option A, it allows you to create a new table based on the results of a DAX expression. Option B, it temporarily applies a set of values from one table as a filter to another table, without requiring a relationship. Option C, it optimizes the performance of calculate functions by pre-calculating filter contexts. Option D, it converts data types between different. You need to implement row-level security, RLS, in Power BI based on a user's group membership in Azure Active Directory. What is the recommended approach? Option A, create roles in Power BI Desktop and manually assign users to them. Option B, use a DAX expression in Power BI Desktop that retrieves the user's group membership from Azure Active Directory. Option C, use the Power BI service to configure RLS-based